Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome if you're watching online at onespotmedia.com. Former Energy Minister Dr. Andrew Wheatley is challenging the lawfulness and fairness of the conclusions made in the Integrity Commission report. His lawyers this morning filed an application in the courts for leave for judicial review. Among other things, Dr. Wheatley is asking the court for an order requiring the Director of Investigations to recommend to the Commission to publicly exonerate him of certain allegations. Fashion Brown has the details.
The Integrity Commission report concluded that the statement provided by the former Energy Minister Dr. Andrew Wheatley about his relationship with Sophia Dare is disingenuous. The report said he was less than truthful in his representation to the Director of Investigation when he described Sophia Dare as his former technical assistant, but Dr. Wheatley has gone to the courts to challenge the lawfulness and fairness of this conclusion. Ms. Dare has been revealed to be the mother of Dr. Wheatley's nephew.
We are concerned with the unfounded findings that have been put forward as recommendations, especially in circumstances where these recommendations that are not grounded in fact or law speak negatively and bring his reputation into disrepute.
In its recent report, the Integrity Commission included an exchange between the investigator and Dr. Wheatley in relation to Sophia Dare. The investigator said, "I'm going to ask you now, Dr. Wheatley, some specific names, and it is for you to indicate whether or not you have a relationship or affiliation and any other relationship with the following persons. Sophia Dare." Dr. Wheatley responded, "She was my technical assistant." The investigator then asked, "Technical assistant? When you say technical assistant, an explanation?" Dr. Wheatley said, "She worked with me at the ministry as my technical assistant," trying to recall her exact title. "She worked with me at the ministry. I think that is the safest. I don't recall right now her exact title at the time." The report concluded that Dr. Wheatley was dishonest and sought to mislead and did mislead the Director of Investigation, contrary to the Perjury Act.
The answer that Dr. Wheatley gave to the Commission is supported by a contract that was available at all material times to the Commission. But instead, information was uncovered